We're at home today, and behind me is our little mini mobile building that we use for storage. Now, we recently painted this building, and it was a big mistake. As you guys can see, this color, it is not working for us, so today we're going to try to correct our mistake and get the building repainted. Well guys, there it is. I don't know. I think it's nice. It's a more soothing color, more subtle color. It's, I would say, a purplish gray. You think so? A gray with a purple hue?
Slightly purple, but not really.
It's not purple. I don't know how to describe it. It's gray. Anyway, we're done with the front. We're gonna swing around to the end and keep going around. You can see that Evie got a head start on this side, so I'm gonna move the ladder around, jump right in. And this one should go a lot quicker. Tired my arm out more than the front. That was hard. Somehow I dropped a big pile of paint. I don't know if you guys saw it. I don't even know what I did. I gotta watch tipping my bucket because we only have so much paint and we have to make sure we can get this done. So here's the next side. A little easier, a little harder because there's no doors. So there's more to paint, but less to paint around. So I'm gonna take a minor arm rest and then we'll just have to keep going. Now, we've had a lot of people telling us that we should leave it this color because it looks good with the new house color that we chose. We totally see that. We get where you're coming from. We had already bought this paint when we bought our house paint. And so we were already committed to painting this. But this building is the reason why we decided to change our house color. This building is what really sent us down the path of questioning our color choices. So we decided to tone this building down. We want everything to just be knocked down a notch. The house is still light, bright, and cheerful. This one's gonna be a little more mellow, I think. I think they're gonna go good together, but we didn't want the matching colors again because they just look bad. I thought matching colors would make sense, but I feel like it was too much for the property.
Yeah, it looks try-hard.
Yeah, too much matchy-matchy.
And if you'll notice, we are painting the bottom strip, and are you doing the top one? Just the bottom one.
Yeah. we're down to the last side. Everything's going so smoothly and we're getting a lot done. Hopefully we can finish up. It's been the perfect day for this. No rain at all, which is shocking. And nice and overcast, not too hot. We're getting it done. So we're just gonna whip out this last side. I never patched a hole up there. Do you see it? I know. I'll patch that later.
It's actually starting to rain, like literally right now.
Guys, it hasn't rained on 3 sides.
Wow. Now it's a sun shower.
I don't know if we should keep going, but we should. And there it is, done. I think that's looking a lot better. So that's what it looks like side by side. Obviously we have a little clean up to do. But tell me, what should we do with the doors? Leave them white or paint them? I'm thinking we're gonna paint them. I don't know what color. Not white, maybe, or whatever you guys say. Just let me know. And I think I'm gonna go in. I wanna get out of the sun and take a break. All right, so we've been thinking. You guys know we wanna paint the doors, and we were digging through our paint collection and we have this door paint. You can see the color right there. This is the same color as that door right here. And our balcony. We didn't use much of it because look, it's like all glass, so we have a lot left. So would it be weird, would it look okay to use the same green on that door, on these doors, all the doors the same, with that gray, whatever color you want to call that? This is what we're thinking.
Yeah.
We don't have to spend any money, we already have it, and I think we do want to just get rid of the white.
I feel like it's too bright. I think this is called Ginkgo tree.
Mm-hmm. The label is shot.
Yeah.
So,
And that gray color we chose is called Cadet Gray.
So that's what we're thinking about. I'm going to leave that with you guys before we make any regrets or mistakes. We might paint them green if it seems like a reasonable idea.
Yeah.
This looks a lot better, I think. Are you happy that we got rid of that?
I'm super happy that we got rid of the aged wine.
It looks so different just looking out our window. And you don't see that big purple building anymore. This toned it down a lot. I still think it has a purple hue in it.
It's like lavendery.
We keep pushing toward that family.
But it's not really. It's hard to explain.
This color was actually chosen because it is supposed to be the coordinating color for this color. So, don't say it looks bad together.
I think they look good together.
Yeah. Now, we have been trying to get other stuff done around the property. Also, we have been carrying on with the core filling out back.
Am I going to be able to do this?
No, I lost it.
That looks cool. I like that one.
We're doing that in small chunks, just a little at a time, so it's not overwhelming. Every time we go to the store, we get 4 bags. And it just makes it a lot easier.
So I guess that's all we have for now. It might not seem like a lot, but it still was a huge piece of work done getting that building painted. Because now we can feel better about everything and put that behind us.
And it's one less painting job out of the way. I feel like we've been doing non-stop painting for like weeks.
It has been. Just relentless painting. And we still have more to do because we're going to be going over to the mobile home to finish up the trim work, which means painting lots of trim. Just non-stop painting.
Yeah.
Oh, it's dreadful. But we're trying to get through it, and hopefully we can do that soon. So thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.
Bye.